The Skoda KAMIQ 2023 is the smallest of Skoda's SUV lineup, coming in as a more budget-friendly option compared to the Kodiaq and Karoq. Its size and price point make it comparable to its cousins from VW and Seat, the T-Cross and the Arona respectively. These compact SUVs have become a common sight on the roads, offering a blend of practicality and style. The KAMIQ doesn't stray far from the family formula, offering a familiar feel to those acquainted with Skoda's design language. Some distinguishing features include scrolling LED indicators and a distinctive headlight arrangement. However, these attempts at edginess do little to set it apart from its siblings. It still feels very much like a small Karoq. In keeping with Skoda's tradition of practical design, the KAMIQ includes an ice scraper under the fuel filler cap, a clip for parking tickets, and a sturdy interior made with deliberately less plush plastics than its VW counterpart. While it doesn't boast any groundbreaking features, the KAMIQ retains an unpretentious yet functional charm. Engine-wise, the KAMIQ has simplified its options, doing away with diesel and hybrid engines. It is available with either a 1-liter 3-cylinder or a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine, both turbocharged. The choice of transmission includes a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The KAMIQ comes in various trims, starting with the basic S trim at £19,000, followed by the SE, SE Drive, SEL, and Monte Carlo levels. A mid-range 1-liter SE manual is projected to be the best seller, offering a sensibly priced set of small family wheels. The overall verdict on the KAMIQ is that it is a reliable crossover, offering comfort and spaciousness, but without any standout features. While it could have been an opportunity for Skoda to introduce something bold and distinctive, the KAMIQ sticks to the tried-and-true formula of a practical and easy-to-use car. Despite the competition in the rapidly growing crossover market, the KAMIQ's appeal lies in its simplicity and reliability, keeping Skoda's reputation for no-nonsense vehicles intact. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.